Essential tips for packing. A guide for travelers. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a very practical topic that many of you might find useful: packing essentials. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about English phrases related to travel, this video is for you. Let's unpack the meaning of packing essentials and explore some helpful tips on how to pack smartly for your next adventure. Packing essentials refers to the most important or necessary items that one should include when preparing a suitcase or bag for travel. The word essentials signifies items that are absolutely necessary, not just desirable. This section will help you understand how to identify what qualifies as an essential item and why it's crucial to prioritize these items when packing. When we talk about packing essentials, we can categorize them into several groups. 1. Clothing. Choosing clothes that are versatile, comfortable, and appropriate for the destination's weather. 2. Toiletries. Basic personal hygiene items like toothbrushes, toothpaste, and hairbrushes. 3. Travel documents. Ensuring you have your passport, visas, tickets, and IDs. 4. Health items. Any necessary medications, first aid kits, and health-related documents. 5. Electronics. Chargers, adapters, and any necessary gadgets. Each category is vital for different reasons, which we will explore in detail. In this section, we'll share some tips on how to pack efficiently. 1. Make a list. Start with a checklist to ensure you don't forget anything important. 2. Pack light. Aim to bring only what you need to avoid overpacking. 3. Use packing cubes. These can help organize your suitcase and save space. 4. Check airline restrictions. Be aware of size and weight limits for luggage. These tips can make your packing process smoother and more organized. It's also important to consider the cultural norms and expectations of your destination. This might influence the type of clothing you pack or certain items you should include or avoid. For example, in some cultures, modest dressing is important, or in others, certain electronic devices might not be allowed. We hope this video has been informative and helps you prepare for your next journey with confidence. Remember, packing essentials are all about bringing what you truly need to have a comfortable and hassle-free trip. Happy packing, and see you in our next video.